Question number 1. Show that three lines with direction cosine. These are direction cosines of three lines. Prove that they are mutually perpendicular. We know product of direction cosine a1, a2. Let a, b, c. This is a, b, c. This is a, b, c. So a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 equal to 0. Let this a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. Now product of direction cosine 12 by 13, 4 by 13 minus 3 by 13, 12 by 13 minus 4 by 13, 3 by 13. This is 48, 196 minus 36, 196, 169 minus 12, 169. Now 48 minus 36 minus 12 equal to 0. So direction cosine of lines 1 and 2, product of direction cosine is 0. Therefore lines 1 and 2 are perpendicular. Same way we product the direction cosine of line 2 and 3, and then we product direction cosine of line 1 and 3, and same way we find the value, and we see the product of direction cosine will be 0. So we say that direction cosines of given three lines are mutually perpendicular. Now I solve question number 2. Here 4 points are there. Show that the line through the points this and this is perpendicular to the line through the point this and this. First we find the direction ratio of the given 2 points. Direction ratio equal to x1, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. This is formula of direction ratio of given 2 points. From here we get direction ratio equal to 3 minus 1, 4 minus minus 1 and minus 2 minus 2. This will be 2, 5, 2, 5 minus 4. Now find the direction ratio of these given points. Direction ratio 3 minus 0, 3 minus 0, 5 minus 3, 6 minus 2. This will be 3, 2, 4. Now product of direction ratio, we prove that these lines, 2 lines are perpendicular. So if condition of perpendicular is a1 direction ratio a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2. If this will be 0, then lines will be perpendicular. Now we check this. 2 into 6 plus 10 minus 16. This is 0. So product of direction ratios equal to 0. So we we prove that or say these points are perpendicular. Lines are perpendicular. The lines which passes through the point this and this are perpendicular. Now I solve question number 3. Question number 3. Here show that the line through the point 4, 7, 8 and 2, 3, 4 -1, -2, 1 and 1, 2, 5. Show that line through the points this and this is parallel to the line which passes through the point this. So first we find the direction ratio of these points. Direction ratio will be x2 minus x1, mean 2 minus 4, 3 minus 7, 4 minus 8, that is -2 minus 4 minus 4. And now we find the direction ratio of the given points. Direction ratio 1 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 2, 4, 5 minus 1, 4. Now ratio of direction ratio mean -2 by 2, -4 by 4, -4 by 4 are equal. We know if direction ratio A1 by A2, B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2, then lines will be parallel. So we prove that the lines which passes through the point this and through the point to this will be parallel, since their direction ratio of their corresponding direction ratio are equal. So lines are parallel. Now I solve question number 4. Find the equation of line which passes through the point 1, 2, 3 and is parallel to the vector 3i plus 2j minus 2k. Find the equation of line passes through. We know the formula of lines. Cartesian formula is x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. This will be equation of line which passes through point 1, 2, 3 and parallel to the vector 3i plus 2j minus 2k. Here x1, y1, z1 equal to 1, 2, 3 and a, b, c direction ratio is given 3, 2, minus 2. So our Cartesian equation of line will be x minus 1 by 3 equal to y minus 2 by 2 equal to z minus 3 by minus 2. This is Cartesian equation of a line which passes through point 1, 2, 3 and parallel to given vector 3i plus 2j minus 2k. Now we find the vector equation of line. Vector equation we know position vector r. r xi plus yj plus zk. This is position vector. So vector equation of line will be r equal to this passes through point 1 2 3. So we write the position vector. Position vector of 1 2 3 is I 2j plus 3k plus lambda, where lambda is an arbitrary constant, and direction ratio 3 2 minus 2, 3i plus 2j minus 2k. This is vector equation of the line, and this is Cartesian equation of the given line. Now I solve question number 5. Now I solve question number 5. Question number 5 is find the equation of line in vector and in Cartesian form that passes through the point whose position vector is 2i minus j plus 4k, and is in the direction of I plus 2j minus k. We find the equation of line in vector and Cartesian. Here points is 2 minus 1 4, and direction ratio is 1 2 minus 1. Now vector equation of line r will be 2y minus j plus 4k plus lambda, where lambda is an arbitrary constant, I plus 2j minus k. This is vector equation of the required line. Now we find the Cartesian equation. We know Cartesian equation x minus x1 mean line passes through point 2 minus 1 4. This is x1 y1 and z1. So x minus x1 mean x minus 2 by a, direction ratio 1, y plus 1 by 2, z minus 4 by minus 1. This is Cartesian equation of the required line, and this is vector equation of the required line. Now I will solve question number 6. Here given here find the Cartesian equation of the line which passes through the point minus 2 4 minus 5 and parallel to the given line. We find the Cartesian equation of the line. Cartesian equation, we know Cartesian equation of in a 3D which passes through a point and parallel to a line is x minus 2 by here direction ratio. This is direction ratio 3 5 6. So equation of line will be x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. Here x1 y1 z1 is minus 2 4 minus 5. So x minus 2 by a 3, y minus 4 by 5, z minus 5 mean 5 by c 6. This is Cartesian equation of a line which passes passes through point -2, 5, -2, 4, -5 and parallel to the given line. This is answer. Now I will solve question number 7. Here given the Cartesian equation of a line is this and write its vector form. We write the equation of line, given line, in vector form. Here line is passes through point 5, -4, 6 and direction ratio of the given line is 3, 7, 2. So equation in vector form, we know formula is x minus x1 by direction ratio A, y minus y1 by B, z minus z1 by C. This is Cartesian and we find its vector form. Vector form R is position vector of a variable point x, y, z. So this will be line is passing through point 5, -4, 6. So 5y minus 4j plus 6k plus lambda, where lambda is an arbitrary constant, direction ratio 3i plus 7j plus 2k. This is vector form of the given equation in Cartesian. Now I will solve question number 8. Find the vector and the Cartesian equations of the lines that passes through the